Curio app Antique Identifier. Pretty cool app. You can see here, identify antiques and vintage items with a snap. Antique expert in your pocket. Curio makes uncovering the story behind your antiques effortless, whether you're a seasoned collector, curious enthusiast, or someone who stumbled across fascinating find. Curio is the ultimate tool for identifying, understanding, and valuing antiques. Instant antique identification, in-depth context and history, quick appraisals, visual matches, your personal antique collection, simple and intuitive design. So this is what you have: discover, price, learn info, save to collection. And then this is basically the idea, how it can work. Of course, this is just some AI app with AI models and stuff like that. Then you can just go in here and then just give access to the camera. Yearly access $40 per year, weekly access $5 per week. You can just continue or cancel. And then you can just tap to identify it like that. 3 free scans. But yeah, here is some just iPhone holder from IKEA. Let's see if it's gonna identify it. So yeah, here, if you can see, it's pretty cool. It really identified it. It's valued $5, so pretty good. Nice. So as you can see, it actually has some nice model, and yeah, you can just see in here. If you want to get unlimited scans, you can even try it for $5 per week. You can do all of the scans, I guess, for a week. And if you have antique shop, or you're selling something on Instagram, even buying something on Instagram, you can of course upload the image in here. So you can get the image from your camera roll, and that's just try it out. So maybe someone wants to scam you or things like that, or so try it out. Let's check it out. You will never overpay for antiques. Everything in one. Addicted, 5-star plus. Look no further. It's some people too expensive. So far so good. Shockingly awesome. I don't know whether these are real reviews, but if you're in antiques business, I think it's really need to try it out, because even if it's the really bad AI model, it still can be much better than human. So that's what it is.